Need to cancel a paycheck that was printed but not cashed, or reissue a lost one? If you're confused about whether to void or reissue, you're not alone. Today, we're voiding and reissuing paychecks in ADP. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The action you take depends on the status of the original paycheck and your company's policy. To void a check, for uncashed checks. If an employee still has a live check but hasn't cashed it, or it was lost, you can often void it in ADP. This cancels the check and returns the funds to your company bank account. You can then issue a new, replacement check. To reissue a check, for stale dated or lost checks. If a check is old, stale dated, typically 180 days, or lost, the bank won't cash it. In this case, you would void the old check and immediately run an off-cycle payroll for the same net amount to create a new, valid check for the employee. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: always get a voided check or signed agreement for lost checks. If an employee claims a check is lost, have them sign a document stating they have destroyed the original check, if they have it, and indemnifying the company against loss if the original is ever cashed. This protects you from being liable for two payments. So, just like that, you can handle paycheck issues professionally and securely. A clear process goes a long way in resolving payment problems fairly. Now I'm curious, has an employee ever lost a paycheck? How did your company handle it? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.